Assalāmu Alaikum wa Raḥmatullāhi wa Barakātuh. So I'm going to record the number 30 of the Qaida book, inshallah. This basically comes with everything. Fatha, Kasra, Dhamma, Fathatain, Kasratain, Dhammatain, the mad we studied, and the mads, the mad alif saghira, waw saghira, ya saghira, and the shaddas. Everything is here. It's basically, this is the last 2 pages before the Qur'an, inshallah. So you have to be very careful and you have to read accordingly, inshallah. And as soon as you finish this one, we're going to revise the whole qaida again quickly. Then you move down to the last juz amma, inshallah. We'll start from this reading, juz amma, from Surah Al-Nas, and onwards, inshallah. Okay, let's start. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Jim fatha ja, za fatha alif mad, za jaza hamza fathatain an, jazaan. So if you're stopping here on hamza fathatain, remember this will be hamza fatha with alif sukun when stopping. Jazaa, jazaa. Okay, jazaa. All right. So jazaan will become hamza fatha alif sukun a, jazaa. Okay. Next one, mim fatha ma, lam fatha alif mad, la, mala, hamza kasra i, malai, ka fatha ka, ta dhammatu, malaikatu, 4 harakat. This mad will be 4 harakat. If you're stopping, this ta dhamma will become the ha with the sukun like before, with the one we did before. This round ta will become the ha with the sukun. Malaika. Alright. Next one. Hamza kasra nun shadda in, nun fatha alif mad, na, inna, hamza fatha ain sukun a, inna a. Ta fatha ya sukun tay, inna a'tay, nun fatha alif sukun na, inna a'tayna. Second line, hamza kasra I, lam fatha ya sukun lay, ilay, nun fatha alif mad na, ilayna, hamza kasra I, ilayna I, ya fatha alif sukun ya, ilayna iya, ba fatha ba, ilayna iyaba, ha dhamma mim sukun hum, ilayna iyabahum. Kha fatha ya sukun khay, ra fathatain ya shadda ray, khayray, ya fatha ya khayray ya, ra fatha ra khayray yara, ha dhamma waw saghira hu, khayray yarahu. If you're stopping, that ya saghira, waw saghira will go away, the ha with the sukun stays. Khayran yarah. Okay. Next one, sheen fatha ra shadda shar, ra fathatain ya shadda rain, sharrain, ya fatha ya, sharrain ya, ra fatha ra, sharrain yara, ha dhamma waw saghira hu, sharrain yarahu, sharrain yarah. If you're stopping. Line number 3, mim kasra ya sukun mi, qaf fatha alif sukun qa, mi qa, ta fathatain tan, mi qatan. But if you're not stopping, if you're connecting with the next one, this ya ta fathatain will connect with the ya with the sukun, so it becomes the idgham, the merging, as the idgham happened on the second line with the second one and the third one too. Okay, so it will be mi ta fathatain ya shaddatain, mi qatain, ya fathai waw sukun yaw, miqatain yaw, mim fathama, miqatayn yawma. Okay, next one. Fa fathafa, mim fathaya shaddamay. Why we didn't pronounce the nun sukun? Because after the nun sukun I have the ya with the shadda here. So shadda has the priority over the sukun. Good. So fa fatha fa, mim fatha ya shadda may, famay, ya fatha ain sukun ya, famay ya, mim fatha lam sukun mal, famay ya'mal. So it's ibgham. There is another, this is a rule as well. So after the nun sukun or tanween, if you have the ya, ra, mim, lam, ya, nun, you need to merge. Some of them without the ghunna, some of them with the ghunna. Ra and lam without the ghunna, meaning nasalization, and ya, mim, nun, lam, ya, ra, waw, nun, ya, mim, waw, nun with the ghunna. We got the ya here. So famay, we'll come to it inshallah. As soon as we finish this one slowly, we'll start all these rules inshallah, no problem. So for the time being, you just read with me. Famay ya'mal. Okay, next line. Mim kasra nun shadda min, nun fathana minna, صاد كسر يا سكون صي من نصي را كسر تنرين من نصير. If you're stopping, ra with the sukun stays. Min nasir. Okay. Mim, next one. Mim kasra mim shadda min, mim fatha alif mad ma, mim ma hamza kasra tain in, mim in, صاد فتحة صا, in صا, dal kasra ya sukun di, صدي, in صدي, dal kasra ten din, صديد. See, after the hamza fatha kasratain, there is a sad. It's a letter of ikhfa, the hiding letter. One of the 15 of the hiding letters, one of them is sad. So after the nun sukun or tanween, if you happen to have these 15 letters, we hide the ghunna of these letters. Okay, in such a way that we'll do this ghunna from the makhraj of the next letter after the nun sukun and tanween. In our case, the tanween kasra is here, like the kasratain, at the bottom of the hamza, and next letter is sad. It will be mimma insa, mimma insadidin, mimma insadid. If you're stopping, down with the sukun. Okay. Mim kasra ra shadda mir, ra fatha ba shadda rab, mir rabb ba kasra bi, mir rabbi ka fathaka, mir rabbika. Okay. Next line we have the in the name of Allah. So we cannot break the name of Allah like that we are breaking all the the letter by letter. We cannot the break the letter of Allah. Okay, I'll show you how to do that. Ra fatha ra, sin dhamma waw sukun su, rasul lam dhamma tain mim shadda lum, rasulum mim kasra mi, rasulum mi, nun fatha lam shadda nal, lam fatha alif saghira la, ha fatha hi, minallahi. So the name of Allah, it's all together, all right, with the previous letter. Okay, so it's rasulum minallahi. If you're stopping, this last ha will be kasra will go away with the sukun. The sukun will be replaced by sukun, ha with the sukun. So rasulum minallahi. Okay, next one sad damasu, ha damahu, suhu, fa fathatain mim shadda fam, suhufam, mim damamu, suhufam, ta fathaha shadda tah, suhufam mutah, ha fathaha, صحفا مطهرة فتحة را صحفا مطهرة تا فتحتين تن صحفا مطهرة. If you're stopping this ta fathatain will be ha with the sukun. Suhufan mutahharah. Okay. Next line. Sad fatha fa shadda saf fa fathatain lam shadda fal saffal lam fatha alif sukun la saffal la ya fatha ya saffal la ya تا فتحة يتا صفّالآية كا فتحة لام شدة كل يتكل صفّالآية كل لام فتحة لا يتكل صفّالآية كل ميم ضمة واو سكون مو يتكلموا صفّالآية نون فتحنا صفا لا يتكلمون. If you're stopping صفا لا يتكلمون نون the sukun. Okay, next one. قاف ضمة لام ضمة واو سكون لو قلو با ضمتين يا شد بوي قلوب يا فتحة واو سكون يو قلوب يو ميم فتحة ما يوم قلوب يوم همزة كسر إي يومئ قلوب يومئ ذال كسرتين واو شد ذو يومئذ قلوب يومئذ واو فتحة ألف سكون و يومئذ وقلوب يومئذ وجيم كسر جي واجي قلوب يومئذ واجي فا فتحة فا واجفة قلوب يومئذ واجفة تا ضمتين تن واجفة قلوب يومئذ واجفة. Okay, so if you're stopping this ta dhammatin will become ha with the sukun. قلوب يومئذ واجفة. Okay, last line. Hamza fatha ba sukun ab صاد fatha alif sukun صا أبصار را ضمر أبصار ها فتحة ألف سكون ها أبصارها. Okay. سين كسر سي را فتحة ألف سكون را سرا جيم فتحة واو شد جو سراجا واو فتحة شد وه سراجا وه ها فتحة ألف سكون ها وها سراجا وها جيم فتحتين جن سراجا وهاجا. If you're stopping, jim fathatain will go away, but the fatha with the mad will stay. So it will be siraja wahaja wahaja. Okay. Waw fatha wa hamza fatha nun sukun an wa an za fatha lam sukun zal wa anzal wa anzal نون فتحة ألف سكون نا وأنزلنا. Okay, so that's the end of the page number 30. We have only one page left, inshallah, after that to finish this kind of book. So JazākAllāh Khaiyr, inshallah, practice easy, take it easy, everything is easy. But if you don't practice, you'll be in trouble. If you practice, there will be no trouble, inshallah. JazākAllāh Khaiyr. Assalāmu Alaikum wa Raḥmatullāhi.